So, Ishika, now it is approximately 1 pm.
Okay.
How many times today have you used AI?
Twice. What about you?
I've used it maybe thrice or 4 times.
So, but see now, not even half the day has passed.
Yeah.
And we are not working today. And we have
It's a
already
Sunday.
used, it's a Sunday, and we have already used AI at least 2 times. Can you imagine how our life has become? Like, I genuinely cannot imagine my life without AI now. कुछ भी हो AI, ChatGPT से पूछो. You know, so the thing is, they say therapy helps you understand yourself better, but now ChatGPT understands you more than you do.
Yeah, it's the unpaid therapist.
But it's not good.
It's not good, but again, this is something that. So it depends on how and why you're using it, and
True.
always to remember it to use it with a pinch of salt.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So our episode today is all about AI. The good side, the bad side, the hilarious side, everything about AI. So hi, this is Ashika.
Hi, this is Ayushi. Welcome to Said and Done podcast.
This is a podcast where clarity, chaos and career collide, and sometimes AI too, which is a part of everything now. Career, clarity and also chaos.
We work 9 to 5 with our AI assistants, co-pilots, autonomous.
ChatGPT. It's a friend now. ChatGPT is now a friend.
Yes, it's the best friend nobody asked for.
True. So, from personality growth to societal shifts, we think deeply, we talk freely, and we always ask
Why?
And here the question is, why AI in everything?
Because why not? Because I think
This is
yeah, I feel, see, it's easy to use. It's giving you information, like bite-sized information at the tip of your fingers, and it is being handy and very accessible, convenient. So there's a lot of things that adds to it, and that is why people are using it. And you don't have to be, as I said, that it's not a working day for us, but we used ChatGPT.
True.
Why? Because we're not using ChatGPT only for professional reasons.
Exactly.
We have like AI so much intermingled into our lifestyles that we now forget it to separate it from our lives. That this is something like honestly, if we start to think about it, it is kind of scary how much personal data we have given out in the
Exactly
open
my
into the
point.
unknown.
exactly my point. Nowadays, we are giving AI our images to redo that. वो जो Ghibli art इतना
Yeah.
आया था. We are giving our images. It's a free source for them. They don't. वो privacy हम statements पहले पढ़ते थे, privacy policies and everything कि हमारा data use नहीं होगा. यहाँ हम अपना data खुद जाके दे रहे हैं. And you know, with all these scandals coming up and all these people using your यार वो वाले तूने memes देखे हैं? मोदी जी गाते हैं गाना.
हाँ,
for-
मतलब जो वीडियोस बन जाते हैं ना,
हाँ.
many things are there which is some things are unnecessary, some things are necessary, but then we engage with it so much that even if we know about the cons of it, we are still
we
being
are
a
still
part of
hopping
it.
on to the trends. We are still
Yeah.
trying to being a part of it. Maybe because we don't want to feel left out. But then it is very scary. And
Yeah.
the thing is, तुम्हारा face तो जा ही रहा है, तुम्हारा voice भी abuse हो जाएगा. So
There are so many scams that has happened.
exactly.
मतलब I recently हुआ था ना कि your mom will get a call by your name if you're staying away from home that somebody
Right.
has kidnapped and they ask for ransom.
Exactly.
And it is, I'm getting goosebumps because my mom told me this story and like she shared that message and then she called and she's like कि ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है and she was the source. ठीक है, उसके पहले मुझे पता नहीं था कि ये हो रहा है. ठीक है, and I was like, if this happens and I will be completely unaware that my mother is in so much tension and maybe क्या क्या हो जा रहा है and maybe उस टाइम पे I'm not available to take a call. राइट सो मेरे पीछे ही मेरे आवाज़ के साथ बहुत कुछ हो जाएगा
बहुत कुछ.
विच मे बी इज इरिवर्सिबल.
And they can also वो arrest भी digital arrest
हाँ,
वगैरह भी
digital
तो कर
arrest,
रहे हैं.
हाँ.
And इसमें इतना पैसा वो लोग ले लेते हैं हमसे because they seal all your bank accounts and do whatever and इतना पैसे चले जाता है and you cannot get up from your place because God knows what will happen then.
या
So, but also there is a good side to it. But you know, the good side is our work has become faster. So see, the thing is, we built AI to help ourselves. But I think now we fear that it will take our jobs again.
yeah there is a lot of talks that is going on that AI versus humans, but I feel कि ये ना थोड़ा सा मुझे baseless लगता है. Why? Because AI is good for certain tasks like जो repetitive tasks हो गया या फिर maybe summary निकालना या फिर जो pattern recognition and everything. But the moment you require a domain judgment, right, या domain expertise or something, AI won't be able to do that because they are so biased. So if your device, अगर मैं तेरे phone में कुछ ढूंढूँ मतलब कुछ पूछूँ क्वेश्चन वर्सेज इफ आई आस्क द सेम क्वेश्चन ऑन माई फोन, even if they are facts, they would be very differently portrayed, and I would consume it in a very different manner.
Exactly.
Because your device is more biased towards your patterns, and they would like matlab portray what you would want to hear basically.
But the thing is, this is just for one thing, right? Now let's say for designing.
Yeah.
Abhi designing PPTs has become so easy because
Yes.
you don't have to think. You
Agreed.
just ask AI to do it and it does that. Making photos. Now अभी वो Ghibli trend तो आया ही था, but वो भी कितना realistic था. Obviously there was a hilarious side to it because I remember there was this thing कि किसी के एक में ना there were 6 people का फोटो but the 7th one was there in the Ghibli image. तो ऐसा था कि अरे यार ये क्या घोस्ट आ गया है इसमें. Then there was something कि उसका हेड अलग से हो गया था. So there was a baby जिसको उन्होंने कोकोनट के जैसे कुछ कर दिया था. Something of that sort, and that was very hilarious. But then again मेकिंग फोटोज़, डिज़ाइनिंग वेबसाइट्स, तो उसके लिए कि क्या डिज़ाइन रहेगा क्या. सो जो ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर्स का ये सब था ना, उनका जॉब्स आई फील कम हो रहा है. इवन फॉर कंटेंट राइटर्स नाउ देयर आर मेनी गोस्ट राइटर्स. बट सो द फ्लिप साइड टू इट इज दैट इवन इफ द कंटेंट राइटर्स का जॉब खत्म हो रहा है, देयर इज समथिंग नाउ कॉल्ड एज प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर.
Prompt engineering, yes.
सो कहीं पे अगर कम हुआ है तो कहीं पे बड़ा भी है. बट देयर आर नॉट मेनी प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियर्स. एंड if I would say if पहले the content writers were 100, तो अभी prompt engineers 20-30 होंगे because what you have to do is just give a prompt and बहुत आ जाएगा. So it's not like कि completely चले जाएगा job, but then बहुत कम हो जाएगा if you are not keeping up with the AI thing. And for people, अब जैसे तू मान ले कि कोई 40 years से content writer है, उसके लिए एकदम से AI पे switch करना is also difficult because not everyone is tech savvy, क्योंकि बहुत fast ये सब changes आए हैं.
That is like noted, but do you really feel कि human एकदम directly can be replaced by AI? Because I feel कि जैसे AI हो गया, ठीक है, अब for example if I'm using AI at work, ठीक है, तो there is some mental checks that I would put. First is that how risky is it, or what if the AI gives me a wrong output, what is the repercussions for that. If it is high stake, then no, I would rather do it myself. If it is low medium stake, fine. Next is how can I verify it. So I trust those AIs like Copilot and Perplexity and all, जहाँ पे वो ना source दे देते हैं कि I am saying this because these are the research papers that support what I'm saying. So if required, I can deep dive, I can click on that link and I can know the source. ठीक है. Number 3 हो गया जो मैंने बोला कि domain judgment. If something requires a domain judgment, domain expertise, then obviously ChatGPT maybe would give me a skeleton, but I have to put the softer parts to it, right? And also, what is the sensitivity factor of the information that I'm putting? मैं अगर कंपनी का बहुत लाइक सेंसिटिव इन्फॉर्मेशन अगर मैं ChatGPT में देके मैं बोल रही हूँ कि इसको समराइज कर, देन इट्स रॉन्ग ऑन माई पार्ट, बिकॉज आई नो दैट इट इज ओपन AI, anybody can access it. So if I have been trusted by the company to have certain data to myself, then I would not. It is my responsibility to treat it responsibly.
Exactly. And that's why many companies, अगर तुम उनके वाईफाई पे ऑपरेट करो और you have their laptops, तो उसमें वो बैन रहता है. They can partner up with ChatGPT or they can partner up with some different AI, but then वो फिर बहुत मतलब there are certain terms and policies to it. I am not very sure about those things, but then yes, ये सब चीज़ें हो रही हैं, which is a good thing. And also because बहुत ज़्यादा sensitive information, even with people who have started genuinely using AI as therapists, I think यार people are so AI has actually become our best friends.
Yeah.
So asking, hey Siri, does my crush have a crush on me too, ये वाला चीज़ है ना, इसमें I don't think we should trust. Also tarot reading हो रहा है आजकल.
I was going to say that I just did that yesterday for myself. Because see, I wanted to try tarot card reading, tarot reading, but I don't want to spend on it or give it to somebody for my tarot. So it's like I told ChatGPT, please lay out my cards. Okay, tell me about my career life, and then I would choose the cards. So they like give like, okay, choose card A, B, or C.
A, B, or C.
Yeah, and then I choose maybe B. And then they show, okay, it's the sun. It's showing positive energy. I was like, okay, I'm happy now. I can sleep peacefully.
but isn't tarot card reading all about your energies too, like matching with your energies? And but सब में इन्होंने यार the thing is, and people are dumb to use. I'm not saying that it's a wrong thing to do, but you can't trust that, right?
You can't. You always have to see. And I also prefer people. So suppose if I have asked you कि इसके बारे में मुझे information चाहिए, and you give me that information with a disclaimer that ये AI से है, या फिर ये मैंने AI से निकाला है, then I would appreciate that rather than you telling me ये मैंने किया है खुद का research करके, because then the level of seriousness that I would take it with will differ.
Exactly.
So it is always better to let the person know कि अच्छा ये this is AI generated, so handle it like that.
Exactly. I do agree to this. And I also feel कि जो transparency है वो भी तो रहनी चाहिए. Like तुम किस basis पे वो कर रहे हो कि AI ने अगर तुम्हें कुछ दिया है, so even if there are sources, are you going to read everything of all the sources? How is it summarizing? Like you said कि सबका biased रहता है, right? So if I am more into something, तो मुझे उस basis पे वो आंसर्स देगा, राइट? सो आई रियली डोंट अंडरस्टैंड यहाँ पे कि ट्रांसपेरेंसी किस हिसाब से होती है. हाउ कैन यू बी सो लाइक इतना ट्रस्ट कैसे कर सकते हो तुम किसी bot पे? At the end of the day, it's a bot. It does not have any emotions. It does not have anything, any context to it. Like even if you're asking AI ki is this outfit good, it's a very basic thing, but there are also many things to factor in. जैसे ये तो बहुत ही basic हो गया, इसमें नहीं है, but then where are you going? Who are you going with? What time of the day it is? What is the kind of place? Like let's say if I'm going at a funeral and I wear this, so it is not appropriate, but if I ask ChatGPT ki how is this outfit, वो तो अच्छा ही बोलेगा ना. So there the context,
that human touch, you're basically saying
the human touch is not there. अगर context ही नहीं पता है तो even if now like अगर therapy के हिसाब से लोग बात करते हैं तो पूरा तो context नहीं पता, then there are memes like कि ChatGPT ने बोला you are right, so I had a peaceful night.
Are you quoting me because I just said that I can sleep peacefully at
I am not quoting you, but I saw these memes जिसमें husband wife का fight होता है.
हाँ.
You must have also seen
कि lack of accountability भी हो जा रहा है ना कि just because AI said, who is AI? If AI is saying wrong, whom would you blame? Who is it? The person who made AI, the person who is using AI, the person who like from where the AI is taking, like the AI, the source of AI. You don't know. It's basically you are accountable
That's
for
what
that.
I'm saying कि जो उसने sources दिए हैं, are you going to read all of those resources? अगर उसने research paper दिया है, are you going to read all of it? तो अलग बात है. But सिर्फ वो दे देना is not, and summarizing something is still okay. Asking थोड़ा सा research करना कि maybe कि इसमें कैसे like which lipstick is better, reviews on that, वो सब is fine.
Whatever is not harming you and which is the information that is already available openly, and you are just asking to retrieve those information, those are fine. But here the question arises that whether we are relying on AI to increase our productivity or are we over reliant on it?
I think we are over reliant on it because we use it for each and everything. इसका shorten this and give it to us, improve the language.
Yes.
इसमें can we post it? People are also asking for captions. People are वो सब ठीक है, but then they are also giving important information if you're working somewhere, important information about the company, maybe legal कुछ है तो वो डाल देते हैं. तो clause कितने सारे होते हैं. Giving it to AI is very risky, and most of all giving your life story, giving your
context set करने के लिए सब कुछ बता देते हैं.
Giving your life story, तुम्हारे friends का नाम, तुम्हारे parents का नाम, तुम कैसे दिखते हो, तुम्हारा कोई partner है उसके साथ क्या problems है तुम्हारे, giving it all यार. So scary.
Yeah, but I feel इसमें ना जो over reliant या फिर increasing productivity, this also because we are humans, we have the choice to be smarter. So यहाँ पे we can use it when and how is it required. So for productivity increase करने के लिए, sure, my ChatGPT gave me a like draft of email, but they created a like different recipient का नाम ही, ठीक है. तो there is not somewhere where I could use and totally rely on AI. But people are making side hustles using AI.
Exactly.
People are using like using AI for building online modules, online classes, which is a very, I would say, intelligent way to use AI.
Exactly.
यहाँ पे this is not like impacting you directly और कोई stakes इससे high नहीं है कि by chance अगर तुम पूरा like maybe because उसमें क्या होता है, यहाँ पे you are increasing the productivity. Why? Because you will, if you sit down and make a 20 slides का presentation for a module which is going to be your side hustle, जहाँ पे तुम you are not very much dependent on, so it's better to make someone else make do it.
Because at the end of the day when we say कि AI will take our job, why do we say that? It is because AI is very efficient. Like हम coffee breaks लेते हैं, हम lunch breaks लेते हैं. AI does not do that. And वो repetitive काम उसको एक बार if you have given the proper prompt, वो उस हिसाब से आपको generate करके देगा. That is the reason why we say. तो AI is there to help us improve our productivity. That is there. But what we have done is हम इतना rely कर जा रहे हैं ना AI पे कि हमने अपना पूरा बोलते हैं ना कच्चा चिट्टा खोल दिया है.
इससे मुझे याद आता है, I am sure that I am not the only one who calls my AI like bro ये क्या कर रहा है bro, this is not the right answer bro, what happened to you.
तो AI को डांट देती हूँ. Don't you understand इसका क्या है?
Then I also become sometimes passive aggressive with my AI. कि
Right.
leave it, तुमसे नहीं होगा. Then the ChatGPT is like कि no, I understand your frustration. Let me try again.
यार वो जो we listen and we don't judge वाला जो ट्रेंड है ना, मुझे लगता है वो
हाँ.
सिर्फ AI ही कर सकता है.
Yes.
Because it does not judge you.
It
But
will
then,
never prove me wrong. It's the best kind of relationship that I want to have.
oh God, what if people start marrying robots in the future because they will always
This
say that
happened.
I know. This
Not
happened.
marrying वाला I'm not very sure, but एक बार हुआ था. I think in the year 2023 something, मतलब हमारा internship तब चल रहा था. That's the period when I heard that there's this girl who has made AI, like कुछ तो एक software use करके she has made her personality into the AI, and now people are paying to be able to talk to her personality.
There are so many AI influencers on
Yeah,
Instagram, you
and
know.
it looks so scary.
It looks so scary yet so real.
बहुत
And
creepy
they-
लगता है. Scary would be the wrong word, but the eye movements
I
and
know.
the smile.
I know.
Oh God.
So the videos also are now AI made.
Yeah.
So see, I'll tell you, AI ये तो अलग हो गया जो human दिखता है. Then there comes AI like गंजी चुड़ैल. भाई वो कितना brand deals उसको मिलता है.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
It has got Nishair का brand deals, it has got Boat का brand deals, Shaadi.com का brand deals. So many brand deals and yet it is an AI and गंजी चुड़ैल. What is गंजी चुड़ैल? And इतना सारा brand deal. So at the same time अगर ये so now when you were talking about side hustle, this is something जो you don't have to show your face.
Yes.
You just have to और वो भी ऐसा कुछ अजीब सा चलता
हाँ,
है.
मतलब यहाँ पे nothing is at stake, I would say.
Exactly,
मतलब high
exactly,
stake
but-
वाले तो कुछ नहीं है.
High money.
High money.
Very high money because when you're getting such brand deals and उसका बहुत यार people watch it बहुत funny way में but people do watch it.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it's good if you use it that way. But then also then AI जो मैं ये बोल रही थी जो humanistic इतना जो लगते हैं then again that is scary.
वो
because
misleading भी होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा.
misleading हो जाते हैं. AI has come now for जो teleprompters telecallers जो आपके होते हैं cold
हाँ,
calling और जो करते हैं
उसमें तो होता ही
उसके
है.
लिए now AI has come. तो when I say कि jobs जा रही हैं तो people
Yeah.
who are in the call
Call centers
now,
and all, हाँ.
who जो 12th के बाद सीधा इसमें चले जाते हैं उनकी जॉब्स कितनी जा रही
Yes,
है and
that
that
is
is what
true.
I'm concerned about now
Yeah.
because obviously they will do better talking than अगर आपको कॉल करके सिर्फ पूछना है. हाँ अगर वो कस्टमर केयर में I don't think AI अब भी जा सकता
कस्टमर
है.
केयर में भी हुआ था रिसेंटली. आई हैड सम कोई तो एक एयरलाइन का था या फिर समथिंग, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, बट इट वॉज अ कॉन्वर्सेशन. लाइक इट वॉज नॉट कि जैसे होता है ना कि आई थिंक रैपिडो में इफ़ यू राइड अ कैब आफ्टर 11 PM तक ऑटोमेटेड कॉल आता है कि आई होप यू हैव रीच्ड सेफली. ऐसा वो नहीं बोल रही हूँ, बट देन आई हैड टू फाइल अ कंप्लेंट, लाइक रेज अ टिकट बेसिकली. तो उसमें ऐसा था कि टेल मी योर ऑर्डर नंबर या टेल मी योर ID समथिंग, एंड देन आई टोल्ड दैट. देन दे फेच्ड माई फोन नंबर एंड email ID फ्रॉम दैट, एंड मतलब इट वॉज अ कॉन्वर्सेशन.
Exactly. So नहीं मैं वही बोल रही हूँ कस्टमर केयर में now even if you go on Amazon they give you two options, talk to someone
Yes.
or then chat with
Chat.
someone. तो again when there are sentiments involved तब वहाँ पर अभी भी AI cannot
नहीं,
replace.
नहीं.
But जैसे cold calling करके पूछना है do you want a loan तो उसके लिए फिर AI can be there and
Yes.
now that is where people are losing their jobs. So now one thing is that people are afraid of their bosses a lot, but I think the co-worker now you should be afraid of is not your boss but it's AI.
But it's AI. Yeah, but it's somewhere it's मतलब मोटिवेट भी होता है. मतलब मोटिवेट ऐसे लाइक नॉट कि AI मुझे मोटिवेट कर रहा है, बट माई सीनियर्स मोटिवेट मी टू यूज़ AI फॉर द थिंग्स दैट आई कैन, मतलब जहाँ पे एक्चुअली टाइम सेव हो जाएगा.
Exactly. Even I have been told कि भाई जहाँ यूज कर सकते हो यूज है because again
हाँ.
productivity का पूरा खेल है.
हाँ.
Either you see again AI is built to increase productivity. AI is built to help you with your life जो easy कर सके,
हाँ.
not to become your therapist, not to become your best friend.
Yeah, it should not be allowed to take decisions on your behalf,
Exactly.
but it should aid in providing you with all the information. So
Exactly.
जैसे Perplexity में अभी what I have done is that I have few chat heads जो कि मैंने सेव करके, for example stock markets, ठीक है, तो I would want to know more about certain stocks on like everyday basis.
Exactly.
तो मैंने ऐसा करके रखा है कि give me like the moment that I say suppose stocks, कभी भी मैं ये वर्ड अगर ये चैट में देती हूँ तो फिर दिस इज द फॉर्मेट इन विच आई वांट द इन्फॉर्मेशन. सो दे विल पुल अप उस दिन का डेटा जो भी है. सो दैट इज हाउ आई एम यूजिंग परप्लेक्सिटी फॉर माई बेनिफिट, सो दैट इट कुड इन्फ्लुएंस, लाइक सो दैट आई वुड बी एबल टू टेक डिसीजंस बेस्ड ऑन दैट डेज परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द स्टॉक, एंड आई डोंट हैव टू गो इंडिविजुअली टू दैट स्टॉक का परफॉर्मेंस या फिर कैसा कैसा हो रहा है.
True. Then there are also PDF readers
Yes.
जहाँ पे PDF you can post अगर तुम्हारा 400
MBA में
पेज
ऐसा
का
करते थे, याद है केस स्टडीज.
400 पेज का भी है, you can say कि summarize करके बताओ, if you have questions cross
Yeah.
question it. So these are some things that are very useful but not otherwise. So yes, AI do has its own advantages but it also has its own disadvantages.
Yeah.
And all we are asking you to do is be careful. Use AI for helping you in your day-to-day life, but as she said, not to
Take decisions on your behalf.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That is something that you should not do, avoid doing, because
Yeah.
at the end of the day you are putting the information about yourself that can be misused later and it can land you in trouble. So that is what we want to
and
say today.
this is our limited request to the authorities to have better rules, regulations
Exactly.
against the, I mean not against, but regulations for the usage of AI, so that it is safe. And so the thing is that we all know that it's not really very safe and all, but we all are using it.
Exactly.
Right.
And also I fear the generation that's coming in, वो AI को इतना ज़्यादा वो कर ले रहे हैं that I have heard cases where people just talk to AI and not do with real humans. They don't interact over there, and that is something that is not to be done, because so there was the series also made, पता है अनन्या पांडे के साथ कुछ वो, that was
अरे,
Control Delete something.
Control was the name of the series, and I have
हाँ.
watched it also, and
Even I
is,
watched it and it is a very good series. So I would recommend you to watch the series if you haven't already.
Yeah.
But so learn from it. Then there are also many Netflix पे ही there are also many series, many documentaries wherein they tell you कि AI, how AI is made, how AI is using your information against you at times. So
not
be
to
safe from
scare,
that.
but just as a precautionary tale, basically.
Exactly. We just want you to be safe, but also there are again hilarious sides of AI too.
Yeah,
And
use AI for the fun, for helping and everything, but
for increasing your
not
productivity.
like it can never replace the human touch.
So remove this thing that it will replace the humans, because it can, even if आगे जाके AI के, so now what they say is कि अभी उन्होंने वो voice का शुरू किया है, faces शुरू किया है and all of those things. आगे there will come a time where ह्यूमन इमोशंस जो होते हैं वो भी AI में आ जाएंगे, बट देन अगेन AI इज़ AI. यू नो उसमें वो वाला मूवी भी तो इसका एक एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं. वो शाहिद कपूर और कृति का कौन सा मूवी था? Where Kriti was a robot.
तुमसे गाना
I
है ना
don't
इसमें.
remember the वो, but
Yeah.
you can Google it if you know. Comment it down below.
क्या सी एपिसोड है AI के बारे में, बट हम मूवी का कमेंट करने बोल रहे हैं.
So yes, so there are certain things that you need to be careful of,
Yeah.
and because safety precaution क्या है वो?
Better safe than sorry.
Better safe than sorry. Yes. And yes, so this was all about today's episode. Comment down below if you have been and
And
prey to AI ka scams or something of that sort. If you know people,
And what are some hacks that you would want our
Exactly.
viewers to know to be safe from AI while
What
still
are-
using it?
what are the things that you do? What are the things that some people you may know are doing already? We would also want to know how to be safe from all of these things. And if you found this relatable, share it with your friends and keep watching Said and Done. See you in the next episode.
Sure.
Bye.